Welcome to the format of writing a choreography script for high school students. What is choreography? Choreography basically is a dance form through which the performer or performers bring out certain themes. As a performance, it shares some of the features of a drama, but quite distinct from it as there will not be dialogues and props. Here we can see in a choreographed script the performers do their performance. Chorus sings the poem with a good tune and rhythm. How to write a choreographed script? To write a choreographed script, the following features must be followed. Identification of the main theme of the poem and stanza-wise themes if any. Identifying the characters involved in the events and their actions. Create the setting through the actions of the chorus. Organizing the actions sequentially. Following appropriate layout of the script. Using suitable expressions for capturing the actions and movements of the characters and the chorus. Formatting of a choreography must include name of the poem, theme of the poem, instances of the theme, location, the setting of the poem, characters involved in the poem, sequence of actions, conclusion or the moral of the poem. Now, here we go with a sample copy of a choreography script. A model choreography of the poem Another Woman of T.S. 10th class book. Name of the poem Another Woman. The theme or the sub-themes of the poem. The poem begins in this format. Present morning in that poem, the woman bought green methi in the market and cooked the whole thing in the pot over the stove, shielding her face from the heat. The hardships of a woman as a homemaker is one theme of the poem. A pathetic, that is, the uncomfortable or uncordial relationship between the woman and her mother-in-law. Instances of the theme. A woman does all household work, goes to market and buys vegetables, returns home and starts cooking. Her mother-in-law scolds her for no reason. Location. The interior of the house, the market, the kitchen. Characters involved in the poem. The woman, the protagonist, the lead role in the poem. Her mother-in-law, her husband, the chorus for setting the location, few vegetable vendors. Sequence of actions now. Scene after the scene, in an orderly manner, the scenes must be established. Curtain rises, scene 1. The sub-theme of scene 1, the woman does household work. The performers enter the stage and pose themselves in such a way that a visual effect of a house is created. And the chorus sings the poem with good tune and rhythm. The woman mops the floor. This can be the imagination of a student as per situation. The mother-in-law comes from indoors and scolds the woman. The mother-in-law orders the woman to go out. The woman goes out. All performers exit the stage. Curtain roll down. Now scene 2. Again curtain rises. The sub-theme, woman goes for shopping. The performers enters and creates a setting of a market. The chorus sings the poem with a good tune and rhythm. Two vegetable vendors sit on the ground and selling vegetables. Some people buy vegetables. 2 or 3 people enter the market and exit. The woman enters the market. She chooses the freshest bunch of methi and picks up a wild radish and imagines the crunch of it. She puts it aside, thinking it is an extravagance, counts her coins carefully, and tied them into her sari at the waist. She collects vegetables bought by her and exit. All performers exit. Curtain rolls down. Scene 3. Sub-theme. Woman is subjected to mother-in-law's anger. The performers enters the stage and pose themselves in such a way that a visual effect of house is created. The chorus sings the poem in good tune and rhythm. The woman enters from outside. The mother-in-law comes from indoors, scolds the woman. The woman takes the leaves and chop them, cut onions finely, and keep the whole thing in a pot on the stove. The mother-in-law comes near and scolds the woman. All performers exit the stage. Curtain rolls down. Scene 4. Sub-theme of the scene. Women subjected to domestic violence. The performers enter the stage and pose themselves in such a way the visual effect of a kitchen is created. The chorus sings the poem with good tune and rhythm. The woman sits in front of a stove. The mother-in-law scolds the woman and her parents who had sent her out to darken other people's doors. The woman still bends her head down. All performers exit the stage. Curtain rolls down. Scene 5. Sub-theme. Sad and unexpected end of the woman. The performers enters the stage and pose themselves in such a way the visual effect of house is created. The chorus sings the poem with good tune and rhythm. The woman crouched near the stove. The husband came home. She bent her little back more. The husband beats her. Mother-in-law enters into the kitchen with cruel intention. The woman looks around the house and thinks about her life in that house, the burning cinders, her blackened cheek, etc. Suddenly, the kerosene was thrown on her by husband and mother-in-law. The woman screams with burns. The chorus encircle, surround her in great pain. All performers exit the stage. Curtain rolls down. Conclusion of the script. Is this the fate of the woman? If the society shields its face to such violence, there would be another woman in the same situation somewhere in the world. Let this not happen to any other woman. Society should think and act wisely towards such instances. Proper laws and execution must be implemented. Thank you.